Mẹ anh bảo
anh một tay anh vẫn đẹp trai,
wait.
đâu vấn đề.
Mẹ anh bảo anh một tay vẫn đẹp trai, no vấn đề. Thời còn đi học em vẫn có bạn gái, no vấn đề.
Now we're gonna go thrifting, which is just a place where they resell used clothes or used other items. I need to develop my wardrobe. I needed to before I went to Vietnam, and that was actually one of my goals for this year, to get more clothes. So now we're gonna do it and try to do it for a cheap price and see what we can get. Let's go. This whole district just has a bunch of restaurants and stores. Some of my sisters actually worked in this area before, and I used to go visit them at work whenever I was visiting family. Right. Go left. Here's McDonald's. I would guess that they've built this in the last couple years. I'd have to ask my parents if they know. I'm not gonna lie, this place does look a little rough from the outside, but places like this are usually where you can find some hidden gems. Let's check it out. Yeah, so here at the thrift store, of course, there's all kinds of clothes and things, but also there's a bunch of other random stuff, like these household items, games, whatever these are, maybe a bunch of water bottle holders that they made for some event. And
it's like you can put like a Coke bottles in there.
Yeah, and then, I mean, sometimes, I mean, these are old, but I think they're so cute. Look at that. But then also there's like umbrellas, you know? It's like if I needed an umbrella, I would get one, but if I needed one, I wouldn't think about coming to the thrift store for it. Or like coffee mug warmer.
Oh yes, show this here. So how do you use it?
I'm guessing you just plug it in and turn it on. That's what I'm guessing.
You put a cup on here?
Or it might be a
It
might be a candle warmer. Or there's like a fridge over there, a huge carpet you could probably buy. Some other dishes, toaster ovens. If you need like a dolly to like move stuff around, I don't know, $60. Oh, a water dispenser? That's actually pretty nice because they can make it hot too. Americans, like, I feel like throw stuff away a lot or like get rid of stuff. They're like, oh, I want this, and then they get rid of it. So it ends up in places like this, which is why I try to look at like thrift stores first, because it's like more resourceful.
Gotcha.
A hair dryer.
For how much? $2?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, a poncho is like what you wear in the rain. This actually looks like a really good one for $5. Oh, this is probably something that you can like cook, light a fire under.
It's like, yeah, it's like a hot pot kind of thing.
That's something that, oh, it's a little Vietnamese spoon.
Why do you think it's a Vietnamese spoon?
Well, the shape of it. It needs to have a longer handle, but they also have a calculator.
Where? Oh, yeah.
It's solar powered. See, look, it was originally $4. Americans love signs that have words on them. Found some Eddie Bauer and maybe Levi's brand. We just got done thrift shopping. We got 11 items for $65, which is like 1.5 million, about that.
Yeah, but we got a lot of good stuff.
Yeah,
like brand stuff.
A lot of really high quality items. Vu got more than I did, so I'm gonna have to hit up some other places some other days, but this is good for today. So now it's about 5 p.m. I kind of want to explore downtown a little bit before the sun sets because there's a cool thing going on tonight. So,
all right, let's do it. Mẹ anh bảo.
Mẹ anh bảo.
Anh một tay anh vẫn đẹp trai,
Wait.
đâu vấn đề. My mom, mẹ anh.
Mẹ anh bảo.
Told.
Anh một tay. I have one ear.
Anh một tay. Anh một tay.
Nhưng vẫn đẹp trai.
Nhưng vẫn.
Like also,
turn left.
You know, vẫn.
Vẫn.
Đẹp trai.
Đẹp trai.
Đẹp trai means good looking, handsome.
No vấn đề.
My mom told me I got one ear.
My mom told
good
me.
Looking, so no problem.
So no
yeah.
problem.
Mẹ anh bảo anh một trai vẫn đẹp trai, no vấn đề. Thời còn đi học em vẫn có bạn gái, no vấn đề. Đang đi nhảy anh chuyển đi hát, no vấn đề. Nhưng mà để giới trẻ nghe được nhạc chính thì đối với anh là thế mới ngầu. 20 years in the game, no joke.
Chúng mình đang chờ gọi đồ. Mọi người xem qua menu ở đây nhé. Một nhà hàng Việt Nam là bán mọi thứ luôn, everything. Phở, bún mì, khác hẳn với cách bán ở Việt Nam. Phục vụ ở đây thì khá là chậm.
The customer service is pretty typical for any restaurant in America. Like, whenever I went to Vietnam, I was blown away with how quick it is, but that's just like standard there. Most places in America are short-staffed.
Phở ở đây thì hầu hết là phở miền Nam, kiểu ngọt ngọt, ăn với cả rau sống. Chưa đầy 10 phút thì bọn mình đã nhận được đồ ăn. Các bạn có thể xem phở ở Mỹ trông nó như thế nào nhé. Bò viên với cả tái. Đây người ta gọi miếng này miếng tái đây, bò tái đây. Mình gọi bữa cỡ lớn nhất, còn Brooklyn gọi cỡ vừa.
A few moments later.
Okay, honest review. We are never coming here again, at least for pho. So I remember whenever we were dating and people would find out he was Vietnamese and be like, oh my gosh, I love pho. And I would be like, I've never had pho. He's never given me pho. And I just thought he was being a snob. But then I lived in Vietnam for like 9-10 months. And coming back, this is just not it. Like, the meat is pork. We ordered, of course, beef. The meatballs are not the same. It's not even pho noodles. Of course, the broth is not strong enough. All right, guys. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this first vlog as much as I've enjoyed making it. We're still figuring it out as we go along, but I think you'll see some more vlogs in the future. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.